Hi folks, this is Beginning Algebra Take Home 9. We're given a word problem and we're asked to use a system of linear equations to solve this. So it says Carl has a total of 117 Pokemon. All of his Pokemon are either Snorlaxes or Munchlaxes. If he has twice as many Snorlaxes as he has Munchlaxes, how many of each of these does he have? Okay, so we have two unknowns we're looking for, the number of Snorlaxes and the number of Munchlaxes. So I'm going to set up my unknowns here. I'm going to let S be the number of Snorlaxes, and I'll let M be the number of Munchlaxes. And now I need to go look for clues. Since I have two unknowns, I need two equations. It says Carl has a total of 117 Pokemon, and all of his Pokemon are either Snorlaxes or Munchlaxes. So that means that the total number of Pokemon can be written two ways. It can either be written as the number of Snorlaxes plus the number of Munchlaxes, or it can be written as 117. So this equation is the total number of Pokemon. Which we know is 117. So that's one equation. The next piece of information we're given is that he has twice as many Snorlaxes as he has Munchlaxes. So this is going to give us a second equation. So he has twice as many Snorlaxes as he has Munchlaxes. So for example, if he had 5 Munchlaxes, he'd have to have 10 Snorlaxes. If he has 20 Munchlax, he's going to have 40 Snorlax. So if he has whatever the Snorlax count is, S, it's gotten by twice the Munchlax count. So S equals 2M. So S is the number of Snorlax, and this is twice the number of Munchlax. So these are our two equations. So together, if I write them together, I have a system of equations. S plus M equals 117. And S equals 2M. So I can choose to solve this however I want. Substitution seems to be the natural choice because I already have S in terms of 2M. That means I can go ahead and substitute that into my original equation. And so I have 2M plus M is 117. So I'm substituting in for S 2M. That means that 3M is 117, which means M is, well, what's 3 into 117? It should go in evenly because we're talking about creatures here. It's 39. So once I know that M is 39, I can plug it into the substitution equation. S equals 2M. It's 2 times 39, so S equals 78. So my final answer then is there's 78 Snorlaxes and 39 Munchlaxes. Now how would you check our answer to this? Well, let's add up how many Pokemon that would be. 8, 9 is 17, carry the 1. 7 and 3 and 1 is 11. So this does give me a total of 117 Pokemon. And sure enough, there are twice as many Snorlaxes as there are Munchlaxes. So that'll do it for Take Home 9.